Alrighty, hello everyone, and today we're back with, you hear that? An exciting unboxing. Just go saying hi. Fix this up a bit. We have a Pebble to unbox. I'm so excited, you guys. I have no idea what doll's gonna be in here. It's random, it's chaos. And excuse my puppy, he hears the kids outside and really wants to go. But he hasn't been good today, so he'll be going out later. Alright, so for those who don't know, Pebble is an order where you order a smart doll and you have no idea what you're going to get. It's random. There could be limited release dolls, like limited editions, or new unreleased dolls. You really have no idea what you're getting, and I've been having a tough few weeks, I'll be honest, with different things going on, pretty serious stuff. So I was like, I feel like this would really give me the energy to push through everything and kind of have something to kind of really look forward to and keep me hopeful. So there's Appa. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I'll give you a treat in a bit. So, I don't think I just showed. So I think we should get started. Let me move this down. Recording. Ooh, it's the moment of truth, you guys. I have not seen anything. Okay. Looks like, is this, I'm thinking tea maybe? No, I got cinnamon. Is it? Okay. Let's start with my chaos heads. I got a nice little tea chaos head. Oh wow, this looks like Mirai, which is, I think so, yeah. It's kind of what I hoped for. Oh, my hands are a little dirty. I should not be touching them. Where did that come from? Oh, probably the pen. Yeah, it's from the pen. From trying to block out my address. And I got a milk head. And it appears to be Katana, I believe. One of the serious girls. So, wow. Yeah, that's milk. I'm just like color matching, just to double check. I thought it was a tea milk for a second, I'll be honest. I mean, a tea doll. We still have no idea who we got. I'm pretty excited. Let's look at the wig. Oh, medium straight wig. Who is she? Clarity! Oh my gosh, you guys. I kind of saw someone post her once. Yes. She's like a little more, she looks like it's like the Mirai sculpt, I believe. But she just has like the happiest little look in her. I love it. Oh, and Appa has, okay. I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, I'm back. I think my dog had to go to the bathroom, so I let him out. Wow. Look at her, she's so cute. Honestly, it looks like a mixture of, I don't know, like I get like Haruka vibes and Mirai vibes from her. Okay. Let's get through the tough part and assemble her. Little Denny 2 cord. Put that up there. And I got these for one of these. So I think I'm gonna commission a friend to actually make a face up for me. So I'm pretty excited for that. I have two options, so maybe a future video. Oh gosh, I've watched the video like a few times on how Danny assembles these dolls, but now that I have one, I'm pretty intimidated, I'll be honest. Okay, but let me go watch the video and I'll be right back. And I decided to use this combo, this little lacy dress and black heeled vinyl shoes. I made this dress, I'll link the video above. And these were made by Culture Japan. I really should have dressed her before I put her together, but I hope it fits. So, here she is, Clarity. I have yet to name her. So, if you have any name suggestions, sound off in the comments. But honestly, I'm not sure. I have a few names, but I'm not sure. Okay. Well, anyways, moving on from that. So I switched to vlog style. Sorry if that makes some of you dizzy. But let's show you the wigs. These are all Culture Japan, and these are two wigs I made. Two wigs I made. This one was a Chaos bundle. It came with a twin curl. This is the one that came with my Entropy, my Journey alternate, and this one was also a Chaos bundle. And This is the maple one. I bought this secondhand. And this ash gray I bought when I got my Journey alternate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch them off camera and then show you a little bit of how she looks with the wig, and then switch off and just keep it going. And if you're wondering why these are out of the box, it's because these are the ones my other two dolls are wearing, Jade and Sakura. So as soon as she'll be trying these on first, and I'll just be putting them back on their heads. So here she is, Clarity. Alright, let's get started. So here she is with that pink wig, which I really like on her. The flash is on, so it kind of brings out the orangey tint a little more. But on my end, it looks really pastel, and it goes really nicely with her little blush. It really brings it out, so I just might leave this on her. So yeah, but let's go ahead and see how they all look. And it's just a quick shot of how it looks with the flash off, and it looks kind of like the same. So okay, so I don't know if it's just me, but I'm kind of giggling at this one, but you know, I do love it a lot. It's giving me Elizabeth from Seven Deadly Sins realness. That is honestly what I see. And for those of you who don't know, I'll insert a clip for sure. She has like, it's just the way I put the wig on before adjusting it, and it's just like reminded me of her. But yeah, so this is Entropy's wig. Also looks really nice on her. So maybe a future Elizabeth cosplay video for Clarity. Who knows? Or maybe that's another good name idea, Elizabeth. I do love her character, so we'll see. There she is. And excuse the sound, that is my fan. That is, I live in California, and we're in the middle of a heat wave, so yeah. Alright, next wig. Alright, and this is the Haruka Twin Tails. Here they are. There's different versions around. Some are straight and some are a little shorter. I happen to get the long ones with every order I got. I'm not complaining. I'm really happy about that. But just letting you guys know. I love them. They're so cute. Sorry, offering. Right. So cute. Putting here at her face. Yeah, let's show how they look. Oop. Oh, it actually looks really cute down low. Oh, I'm gonna start doing that. Sorry, I'm holding the camera. It's just an easier setup for me. It's a little crazy, I know, but please bear with me. That's how she looks with out the little curls. Looks really cute. I like it. I wanted a Haruka, so close enough, right? Close enough. Right, next wig. Alright, so this is the next wig. This was from a Chaos bundle, so I think it's kind of limited edition now. I don't think they're making any more. But I really like it. I like how it really brings out the rosy cheeks. Just the Journey wig. I think it's like the wine red mermaid wig. I don't remember. Let me double check. Yeah, wine mermaid wig. Came with my Journey. I like how it looks. I think I really want to get brown eyes for her, or Mariah's eyes. They look really cute in my opinion. So, but these, I believe these are follow me eyes, because they kind of follow you around. But I'm not too sure, so let me know if you guys know. She looks pretty surprised when like surprised. But there we go, next wig. So here she is in the maple brown wig. know it's a little frizzy, a little messy. Oh, sorry about that. But I'm not about to spend an hour trying to fix the wig. I don't think I'm gonna leave on her. So, looks great. Do you do one side or the other, like the little hair part? They both look pretty cute. So, she just really brings out her eyes. Alright, so if we thought that other wig made her look like Elizabeth, how about an actual ash gray wig? And just for the sake of, well, for the laughs, I did that. There, that's it. So, here we have a wig I made. I'll link the video above. It's super long. It still has Elizabeth's shoes on though, but honestly, oh, okay, just gonna let it fall. 1 second. There we go. It gives me like melody vibes. I don't know. Do y'all see that, or is it just me? I just like love long hair so much, so I had to make some. And here is the final wig I'll be showing today. What's the last one I have? It's super long. I also did this one. Video will be posted up here. Same video. I did one of them off camera. I can't remember which one. Yeah, it's super long. I love me a long wig. It looks pretty cute. I like it on her. But I do like this one a little more. So I think I'm gonna do the blonde one. But and here they are, all three of them, welcoming their new sister. So I don't have any names yet. So if you guys have any name suggestions, feel free to name them in the comments. So yeah, so for those of you who stuck around and finished the entire video and, you know, support like always, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new, welcome. We're happy to have you here, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.